In this video, we're going to show you how to install Python 3.85 on Windows 10. So let's get started. We're going to start off by going to Google and typing in Python. We'll go down to the official website, which is python.org. We'll click on download. You can see the different versions that are available for Python. We'll be downloading 3.85 for Windows 10, which is the default version that we see here. And click on that. We're going to let it download. Once complete, we're going to open it up. Let's close the background browser. And now you might want to add the Python to the environment variables. So we want to click on the Add Python 3.8 to Path. And then to help shorten the length of the default directories, we'll click on Customize Installation. We can leave all these default, click on Next, and here we can change the default path. By clicking on Browse, we can go down to our root C drive and then click OK. And here we can shorten the length of the path by just typing in something short and clean. We'll put in Python and then slash, and how about we put in Python in the version number, so 3.85. Okay, and then what we can do is select the Install for all users option at the top. This will automatically also select the precompiled standard libraries, which I've just collected anyways. And if you want, you can have the downloading debugging symbols as well and binaries. So we can click on Install and then click on Yes. So we're going to speed this up. This will take several minutes to install. And we'll try to get it done here quickly for you. Okay, so you see that the setup was successful, and then you'll get this warning here at the bottom, which says Disable Path Length Limit. We can click on that and then say yes, and then okay, we are done here. By closing it, we can go into the Windows Start menu, and up here at the top you will see all the components that were just installed. So to get started, we're going to click on the first one in here called Idle IDE. We'll click on it and we'll just perform a little test here. How about we just change the settings here so it's easier for you at home to watch. We'll just make the fonts a little bit bigger, and we'll increase the size to about 18 and then make it bold. We'll make it bold as well. Apply OK. There we go. I should be able to see that a little bit clearer. So right now we're going to do a little test here. How about we type in print and then bracket hello YouTube and end quote bracket, and then we can hit enter. And there we go. As you can see, that test shows that it is working here. Okay, and in idle, and we'll do the same thing that we did last time. We'll just type in print and then bracket hello YouTube, end quote, Okay, and then we can go over and save it. And well, how about we save this to the desktop? Okay, we'll just call it test. Desktop, there we go, save it. Okay, now that it's saved, we can run the module by clicking on run, and then run module, and then there is the output. That's the file saved over here. Okay, so now you can see that as we expand in here, that Python also comes with the Python terminal, and we can do the same thing here in the terminal. We'll run another example. Let's just change the size again so you at home can see it. Just make it bigger and bold. And how about we just do the same test again? We'll print and then hello YouTube. And then enter. There we go. A little basic test done there for you. Okay, so we showed you that that works properly. And lastly, we can go into the command prompt and we can also run the same function in here. How about inside here, we can just show you the version by typing in Python version, enter. There it is, it's Python 3.85. So Python also comes with the Pip Packet Manager. So in here we can show you the current version that was installed by typing in pip version and then enter. Oops, I must have put an extra space in here. So let's just try that again by eliminating the space. And there we go. So we have the version number here of the pip package that was installed. So with using this pip package manager, you will find that it is allowing you to use some external libraries that are freely available on Python. So you'll find that the pip package manager is very useful to have. So here we can type in Python again inside the command prompt. It'll open up the Python shell inside the command prompt, and then we can execute the same example again. And we'll type in hello YouTube, and there we go. So we have shown you how everything has been installed. So you have these three options to choose from in your Windows operating system to use Python, and I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.